Welcome back to another cooking video with A Taste of K. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this baked teriyaki salmon using a homemade teriyaki sauce. The ingredients I'll be using is fresh salmon, avocado oil, salt and pepper, garlic and herb salt-free seasoning blend, 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup soy sauce, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, which I've minced, half a teaspoon ground ginger, or if you have fresh, you can use fresh ginger, 5 tablespoons brown sugar, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 to 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 1/4 cup water, as well as sliced lemon. Here's a closer look at all of the ingredients I'll be using. The first thing I'm going to do is cut my salmon into equal-sized pieces, or at least try to cut it into equal-sized pieces, and I'm also going to remove the skin. After removing the skin off of the salmon, I went ahead and rinsed it under cool water before patting it dry with some paper towel. I'm going to use the avocado oil. I sprayed a little inside the baking dish, and then I placed the salmon inside the baking dish. Here I'm basically rearranging the pieces of salmon just to lay them flat into the baking dish without overlapping, or I try my best to not have the pieces overlap one another. Once I have the salmon pieces in the baking dish, I'm going to spray each piece with some avocado oil. This is just an oil spray bottle that I purchased from Amazon, and I filled it up with avocado oil. I'm also going to pour in some of the garlic and herb salt-free seasoning blend, as well as black pepper. I'm not going to heavily season the salmon since I'm going to get a lot of the flavor from the homemade teriyaki sauce. To make the homemade teriyaki sauce, I'm going to add into a saucepan some soy sauce, minced garlic, ground ginger, brown sugar, honey, as well as 1 cup of water. I'm going to give this a quick stir before placing it on the stove top to start to cook. I place this on the stove and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 5 minutes. In order for the teriyaki sauce to thicken, I'm going to use 1/4 cup of water as well as the cornstarch. I'm going to mix the cornstarch into the water to make sure that there's no lumps before pouring it into the sauce. After pouring the cornstarch mixture into the sauce, the teriyaki sauce will start to thicken. I allow it to simmer on low for about 5 minutes. At this point, I turn off the stove from the teriyaki sauce. I'm going to add some of the garlic and herb salt-free seasoning blend to it, and I give it a quick stir. I'm going to let this cool down some before I pour it over the salmon. After allowing the teriyaki sauce to cool down, I'm going to pour it over the salmon. I have the oven preheating on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. In the meantime, I'm going to place a piece of lemon on each piece of salmon. I baked the salmon for 25 minutes on 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I added 5 more minutes on the broil setting, which was 525 degrees. Here is the teriyaki salmon using homemade teriyaki sauce, fresh out of the oven. I want to say thank you for stopping by at Taste of K here on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now, and I'll see you in the next video.